Hello everybody, this is Brian Essex here from How To Automotive. Today I wanted to bring you a little tool tour on everything you need to remove just oxygen sensors. So I got a variety of different tools just to remove an oxygen sensor out of a exhaust system in the car. We'll start with these are assortments of most of them are 7/8 or 22 millimeter. So this one is made by Snap-on, or OTC actually. This one's made by OTC, and it's a great one. You would use like your half-inch extensions, and you could put it in various ways to remove the oxygen sensor. And it's got the slit in there, so the wiring for the wiring, so the wiring can actually come through like so. And that's a very good one by OTC. And the next one I have here is another one from OTC. It just has it's a 3/8 drive version, but it has a longer shaft here to help get more leverage on it and stuff. Then I have one made by Snap-on. That's it's a shorty one, but this one I use this one quite often. It gets into a lot of tighter spots. And then I have this one also from Snap-on too, but I don't like this one very much. It tends to flare open and tends to round the oxygen sensor bolts off. So it's not my favorite tool, but one of the first ones I purchased. But you can see how thin wall it is, so it gets in really tight areas. So it's also good to have them just in case, like you may be able to crack them free with other tools, and then use this one too because it's thin to get in there and remove them. Then you got your good old-fashioned 7/8 crow's foot here. That saves your butt a lot. It gets into a lot of places where they're really tight. And then you got your standard oxygen sensor sockets. This one's made by Snap-on here. It's a 22 millimeter, and it has the wide slot here for the wiring to go through. And then this is a more of like an impact style, a little bit stronger steel. This one here is made by OTC, and then I have another one that's made by OTC, but it's a lot heavier duty, and it has a thinner wire slot for the wire slot, but because it's more encased than these two, it's less likely to flare open and strip the sockets out. And then you would also need different extensions to get to different spots in the car. You're going to need a ratchet like so. This happens to be a Snap-on ratchet to break these free. And you're going to need something like a half-inch extensions. You'll need a half-inch ratchet to get to some of these bolts. And then you got your good old standard 7/8 wrench and 22 millimeter wrench to help you remove those. And then one of my favorite ones is it's 3/8 on one end, and on the other end it's a half-inch drive. So and it's really long, so you can get into really tight areas. But you have a lot of leverage with the half-inch drive here to break these oxygen sensors free. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, and as always, it's my pleasure to share with you and share my experience with you guys. And if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I do respond, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.